this is Uncle James here with how to market affiliate links. Now, in this particular video, the focus will be on content marketing. Okay, we're going to create some content and then we're going to put it up on the web or different places, and whereby by doing that, we will establish ourselves as the expert in the field. This is a very low cost method of marketing. Very low cost method. I am currently using this strategy and it has been very successful for me. Now, let's take, for instance, let's say you work with pets, right? And you've noticed that a lot of the people that you work with, the adults, the pet owners that you work with, are having issues with especially the dogs following their instructions. And so the issue there is the pet owner hasn't established himself as the leader of the pack. And so you will look at the problem, then you will begin to create articles or content around how does one establish themselves as the leader of the pack in their pet's view. Okay, and so once you have accepted yourself as the leader of the pack, they're going to just fall in line and do the things that the leader of the pack says that they should do. So that's an example of how to do that. So number one, you need to clearly define your audience. This is very important. Now this slide here has this particular topic here has 2 slides. And so one, you need to do a deep dive into the current issues. Okay, your current customer base. You need to find out who your current customers are. You need to get a real good grasp of your customers and find out what issues, what their pain points are, what issues they're having, and then how you can solve those pain points. And you create content around solving those pain points. Okay, and you also need to evaluate your competitors. You need to know what your competitors are doing. You need to know your demographics. This is extremely important. You must know your demographics, such as age group, gender, location, income levels, education. These are things that are you just have to know them. It's just no way around it. You must know your demographics. And then also, you must get to know them personally. And so you need to know their values and beliefs, their personality, their attitude, their behavior, especially their online activities, lifestyle, and interest. This is extremely important. You must become personal. You must know these personal details. All right. SMART. Now you need to have the SMART goals. These are your goals. You need to have specific. It needs to be measurable, obtainable, realistic, and timely. This is an acronym, okay? So you need to make sure that you use this acronym when it comes to creating your goals. Very, very, very important. Okay, 3, you must have a clear value proposition. Okay, you need to highlight what makes your business different from your competitors, and what do you do better or that is unique that your company does that the other companies does not do, and then highlight that. Okay, so what do we do different, and then what makes us better than our competition? Okay, this is a clear value proposition. You must have clear value. All right, branding. You must have a strong branding identity. Your brand must be strong, such as your logo, your colors. Do you have all these things are they in place, and do they all go together? And is it consistent? Are you using the same images throughout all of your advertisement? This is extremely important. All right. And then the 5th one is markers for success. Now, it is very important that you monitor what is going on. You need to find out what is working and what is not working. Okay, so you have to monitor the success, see what's, see what's working. If something is working, then you move forward with it. If it is not working, then you go back, you change it, you test it, and then try to get it working again. You may be using the wrong color. You may be using the wrong font. So these are things that you have to look at and consider and change and adjust so that you can close the sale. Okay, very, very, very important. Now, remember, success leaves clues, and it does. Success does leave clues. You must become a person that takes massive action. No 0 days. You cannot have 0 days. Every day you must do something that gets you closer to obtaining and achieving your goal. Now, it doesn't have to be something big every day, but it could be something big, it could be something small. However, you must do something every day that gets you closer to your goal. Okay, every day, every day, every day. Success leaves clues. Now let me speak this blessing over you. Until we meet again, may the Lord continue to bless you. May He smile upon you, may He grant you His favor, and may He continue to give you His peace, and to also enlarge both of our territories. Take care, and I'll see you later.